At 920 Tempe, your college life is better and smarter than ever. These furnished 1-bed, 1-bath, and 4-bed, 4-bath apartments boast stainless steel appliances, soft-close wood cabinets, granite countertops, washer and dryer, mini refrigerator, walk-in closet, full-sized bed, memory foam mattress, and headboard shelf. Convenience, but with style. De-stress in the fitness center or Nexus's boxing room. Reset in the yoga room or Muscle Beach Fitness Courtyard. Take advantage of the resort-style pool, oversized hot tub, tanning terrace, and cooling spas. You deserve to feel like luxury. Get some sunlight in the dedicated pet park with your fuzzy friends when you're not unwinding in the lounge featuring a TV and cozy hammocks or at the grill stations. With ample parking space, a keyless unit entry system, package locker system, business center with free printing, private study spaces, and an outdoor courtyard with a grass hilltop, 920 Tempe is all you need. From Arizona State University and Grand Canyon University to local favorites, you're moments away with the University Drive, Botch, Rural Road Station, and the bus stops at Terrace Road and Rural Road, Flag Zone, and Rural Road and Terrace Mall. Book the ultimate student experience at 920 Tempe via amberstudent.com.